Walking into a new area I ain't been in before, and not sure if I'll be able to catch anything because I mean, of course, it look like there ain't nothing in that motherfucker because the water just too shallow. But when you run across something like this, it's a treasure. You know, it's a treasure. It's like walking through a dungeon and you accidentally just stumble across a gem, a treasure chest, item, call it what you want to call it. That's a treasure right there. That's definitely coming home. That's 100% coming home with me. Yes, sir. Hollowed out. Look like all the scales and stuff that came off except for just those two. And they gave it a pretty beautiful design. So, and it's small too. I got it zoomed in, but oh yeah, that's the treasure right there. I still need to keep. Well, I mean, I guess I can't really go anywhere, but yeah, that's the treasure. So, at the end of this dungeon, so to speak, I got me something.